So it's been a while since I made a video, so I thought I'd come on and do another little update about my 1980 cb750. So here's what the deal is. I have to take the tank off now and actually repaint the bottom of it, because one day all of a sudden I noticed this little hole here, it's for the petcock hole. I chose this side. There's multiple, and one up here too. It started leaking out of here, and the paint started soaking it up, so it started bubbling. So this is what I'm doing now, is priming it like this around there, trying to get it, because I got my sticker there. I don't want to get that all full of prime, so you gotta go here. And I've just about got it, so it's good. And then I'll have to paint it again and then put it back on there. And then what else I actually want to do is take and somehow modify my shifter so it comes a little bit further up here, because when I sit on it like this, I have my leg there. It's a little bit too close to my leg, so I'd like it, I don't know, a little bit more up here. So that's what I'm doing here. Just haven't made a video, like I said, a little while, so I thought I'd come in, make another one, see if, I don't know. Probably about it for this video here. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more of this stuff, let me know. Give me some ideas for videos. I want to make videos, but I don't really know what I'll make them of. So anyways, see you next time.